Working from home or remote work can have both positive and negative effects on physical and mental health. It's important to note that the impact can vary greatly depending on individual circumstances and how one manages their remote work situation. Here are some potential side effects to consider. Physical health. Sedentary lifestyle. Remote work often involves sitting for long periods, which can lead to a sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity can contribute to health issues such as obesity, cardiovascular problems, and musculoskeletal disorders. Disruption of family atmosphere. Remote work can sometimes lead to a blurring of boundaries between work and personal life. When your workspace is within your home, it can be challenging to mentally disconnect from work. This can result in work-related stress or preoccupation bleeding into family time, disrupting the overall family atmosphere. No enthusiasm for going to the office the next day. Working from home offers comfort and convenience that the office may not provide. The absence of a daily commute, the ability to work in comfortable attire, and having more control over your workspace can make returning to the office less appealing. Ergonomic challenges. Improperly set up home offices can lead to ergonomic issues like back pain, neck strain, and carpal tunnel syndrome. It's important to have an ergonomic workspace to mitigate these problems. Isolation. Isolation and reduced social interaction can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression, which can have negative physical health consequences over time. Unhealthy eating habits. Working from home can lead to snacking or relying on unhealthy food options. This can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Sleep disruption. Irregular work hours, increased screen time, and stress can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to sleep deprivation and related health problems. Mental health. Isolation and loneliness. Remote work can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, especially for individuals who thrive on social interactions. This can negatively impact mental well-being. Stress and burnout. The boundary between work and personal life can blur when working from home, leading to increased stress and burnout as people find it difficult to disconnect from work. Difficulty in focus. Home environments may have more distractions, making it challenging to concentrate and be productive. This can lead to frustration and increased stress. Lack of routine. A lack of a structured daily routine can lead to a sense of aimlessness and decreased motivation, which can affect mental health. Communication challenges. Remote work may involve less face-to-face communication, which can lead to misunderstandings, miscommunication, and feelings of isolation. Ways to mitigate negative effects. Establish a routine. Create a daily schedule that includes dedicated work hours, breaks, exercise, and social time. Set boundaries. Clearly define work and personal space in your home, and establish boundaries for when work ends and personal time begins. Stay active. Incorporate regular physical activity into your day to combat the sedentary nature of remote work. Socialize. Make an effort to connect with colleagues, friends, and family through video calls or in-person meetings when possible. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities such as meditation, relaxation exercises, and hobbies to reduce stress. Seek support. If you're struggling with mental health issues, don't hesitate to seek support from a therapist, counselor, or support group. On contrary, remote work or work from home can be cost-effective for employers. Employers can save significant amounts on overhead costs when employees work from home. They no longer need to provide office space, utilities, and office supplies for each employee, leading to cost savings in rent, utilities, maintenance, and office equipment.